folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. I'm often asked, do I have any keto recipes? Well, today that's what we're doing. Chicken tenders, not only simple, delicious, but keto friendly. Let's get to it. Now for your chicken. You can buy chicken tenderloins already cut into strips. They're a little more expensive. So I buy the boneless, skinless chicken when it's on sale and just slice them up to the size that you like. For our wet mixture, we'll need 1 egg and 1 ounce of heavy cream, and mix well with a fork. For our dry mixture, we have 1/2 cup of almond flour and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Let's spice it up. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. And mix that all thoroughly with a fork. Cover a cookie sheet with tin foil and lay a grate on top. This way the chicken tenders get cooked evenly. Now let's start coating our chicken tenders. Into the wet mixture and then simply into the dry mixture. Make sure it's entirely coated, and that's it. Onto our grate. This recipe, there'll be enough coating to do 8 good-sized chicken tenders. These will go into a preheated 400-degree oven for 20 minutes, then turn the oven on broil and cook another 3 to 5 minutes just to crisp them up a little bit. Here's a simple 3-item dipping sauce. Choose your favorite hot sauce and some ranch dressing. About 1/2 cup of the ranch dressing, and then to that we'll add 1 to 2 teaspoons of your favorite hot sauce. I'm using Crystal here. Now I want to get some citrus flavor in this, but I don't want to water down our sauce. So check out this next ingredient. This is a handy item to keep in the pantry. It's called True Lime. It's crystallized lime. It has no sugar, artificial sweeteners, colors, sodium, or preservatives, and it's non-GMO. I use it when I'm making sauces and I don't want the extra liquid. It's great to flavor drinks as well. You can also get it in lemon. In the grocery stores, you'll find them near the sweeteners and sugars. Just one of these little packets is all I need for this sauce. That'll give it that nice citrus flavor that I'm looking for. Oh boy, here they are, fresh out of the oven. Make sure they're 165 internal temperature and they're ready to plate them up. Now how's that for a nice serving? A little bit of shredded lettuce on the bottom, garnish with a couple of lime wedges, and our dipping sauce in the center. Oh boy, doesn't that look delicious? Well, how's that for a simple keto recipe? Don't forget to subscribe to my videos. I put one out every Monday. Hit that little red subscribe button. You'll get notified every time I put one out. Well, now it's time to try these delicious chicken tenders. Oh boy. Oh. A little bit of crunch. I like the Parmesan and the spices, and that sauce. Forget about it, it's delicious. Well, thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya.
Well, it ain't easy living life the way I